Hey, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how you can create a professional logo design in Canva. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to see this amazing content. Let's get started. First you need to click on create a design and click on custom design. You need to select the width 1000 and height as well 1000. You must need to select Pixzot and click on create a new design. Here is your canvas and you can create your logo in this canvas. You can also zoom in and out by dragging this scroll bar. So first you need to click on element and click on here and search for book. Here is lot of stuffs. If you're looking for graphics, you need to click here. If you need looking for photos, you need to click here. So we are looking for graphics, so I need to click here, see all, and here is the all element. We will pick those elements which is perfect for our logo. So I think this is perfect for us. If you want to change its color, just click on there and select your color, and here you go. And we need global. Basically I want to place half global in here to its represent its logo for online education. So click here, write global and search element which is perfect for your design. So we write here half. Let's see. Yes, here we go. We will make it little smaller and we will rotate it little bit. If you want to rotate your image, just click on there and rotate it anywhere. Yes, if you want to change its color, just click on there and select your desired color. Zoom it little bit to make more perfect. And we need a cap, educational cap here, so we write here. So it's a perfect for us, and we just simply change its color by clicking here. And I think it's look perfect and look balanced because this cap is balanced with this book icon. So we will group them by pressing Ctrl and G and make them little bit bigger. And zoom out this icon, and here you go. You can see that how professional we create a logo within a few clicks. If you like this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in next tutorial.